Hey folks, warm and humid across the valley again tonight. Your temperatures in the low to mid 80s, dew points in the upper 70s. It feels sticky out there. 83 Port Isabel at this hour. Raymondville's 81. McAllen's 84. Rio Grande City checks in at 83 degrees. And yeah, the humidity in still feels like upper 80s and low 90s across the region. And we don't see that really changing dramatically anytime soon. It doesn't feel as hot as last night, though. Dew points will come down just a little bit. A little bit helps. Tonight's lows upper 70s, about 81 at the beach. That's the warm spot. Everybody else in the 70s. And tomorrow we're back up in the 90s again. Rio Grande City, you're going to be pushing 100. Wouldn't be surprised if you go over it. We're forecasting 99. 97 Weslaco, 95 in Brownsville. The beach tops out at 90 tomorrow afternoon. This time of year, our average high now is 95 for the middle to latter part of June, and we're going to be above that the next 3 days. In fact, we're going to be above that probably the next 10 days. We had our spurt of below average temperatures last week with the rain, and now we're paying for that with temperatures going back above average once again. If you happen to notice a little lightning in the western sky tonight, long way away, close to 100 miles southwest of the valley, and there's been some pretty good lightning in that, but in the last hour or two, that's really begun to kind of fade away. It'll stay off to the southwest, and overhead, nothing at all. Things staying quiet over the valley, and probably will for the next few days. We've got a slight chance of a shower in there on Thursday, but aside from that, we're pretty dry. Cloud cover shows almost nothing tonight except the stuff off to the southwest, and Future Track kind of continues that through the night, just patchy clouds. And during the daytime tomorrow, it's a mix of clouds and sun, but certainly dominated by the sun and probably rain-free. Thursday, a little bit of a surge of tropical moisture sneaks through, and you saw some green show up along the coast. Could be a spotty shower or two on Thursday. We're going 10% for that, but then that surge of moisture goes away on Friday, and we're back to mostly sunny skies again, and that should hold all the way into and through the weekend. So about a 10% chance Thursday. Other than that, we're mainly dry. Good solid southeast flow of humid air continues building into South Texas. Look at that humid flow just right there, and it just pushes in, and that keeps the moisture here, keeps the humidity relatively high. Don't see much going on except maybe that sea breeze shower Thursday. Other than that, looks like we're pretty dry all the way through the weekend. And as we're dry, we tend to heat up, and that's what's going to happen around the area. At the coast, winds out of the southeast, 10 to 15 knots, a light chop on the bay. UV's extreme. Surf temperature still only 78. The bay is 84. Seas running about 2 to 4 feet. So for tonight, we bottom out at 77. Partly cloudy skies, warm, humid, southeasterly winds. Then tomorrow, back up to 97. Mostly sunny. It's going to be a hot afternoon. Southeast winds at 8 to 16 miles an hour. Here's a look at the next 7 days. We got a couple of 97s and then a whole bunch of 98s after that. We'll be within 1 or 2 of that pretty much every afternoon. Western part of the valley will be hotter. Eastern part of the valley a little cooler, but bottom line is we're going to get a little hotter than we were today and stay that way through the weekend all the way into the middle part of next week. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Hey, Joel.